Assalamualaikum, it's Sajad Akbar and today we will solve a verb exercise which is mentioned in our English book, and this is the first exercise and we have to choose the correct form of verb and we have to keep in mind that we will use two tense, the present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. So now we will move on the first sentence. She loved her cat very much. We know if there is he, she or it, we add s or es in addition to verb. So here comes loves. The second one is he go to school every day. Again he, so here we use goes. The third one is it rain at present. At present is the indicator of present continuous tense, so we will use raining. It's present continuous because at present is an indicator of present continuous tense. The next one is they take tea every morning, so it's correct. We will use take, same. Good students always work hard. That's also right. She learns French at present. So here is she. So we will add s with the form of verb. So here it comes learns. We will add s with verb. Shahida sing a sad song today. Shahida is singing a sad song today, because today is also indicator of present continuous tense. She speaks English, she is speaking English now. Now is indicator of present continuous tense, so it's speaking. She is speaking. The baby is trying for milk now. The baby is trying for milk. Okay. Mean now is they are both indicator of present continuous tense. Okay. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth is singular, so here we will use s. Revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. They not do their work regularly. So it means they are not doing their work regularly. They are not doing their work regularly. It's an indicator of present continuous tense. They always come back home late. So it's true. She speaks English quite well. We will use SRES with verb. They go will remain the same. So it is the first exercise of verb. We are choosing the correct verb regarding sentences, present indefinite and present continuous sentence. So it is the first exercise. I have solved it and you have to work on it. Thank you.